Hello students, welcome to my online history classes. This video is especially for the semester 4 students, and what I'm going to talk about is the checklist of the questions for unit 1. So before we move on to the questions, let's just understand what do you have in your syllabi. Now first you have to understand that we do not have any 2 markers or 4 markers or 6 markers. They are in total 5 questions. So from every unit you are getting at least 2 questions. Total questions that you have to attempt is 5, picking up at least 1 question from every unit. So I will be bringing you series of these checklists for every unit. Now today's video is on unit 1. Now if you just understand what the syllabi is, one is about the geographical and physical features. The other is the historical literature in the Persian and Punjabi, the religious literature, administrative records, documents, socio-religious conditions of the Punjab around 1500, then about the Sunnis, Shias, Sufis, Brahmins, Jogis, Vaishnava, Bhakti and your saint. The other topic is exclusively on Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Now, once you say, I have finished this unit, my questions which have been coming over the years in the university, number 1 is discuss the socio-religious conditions of Punjab around 1500 BC. Right? So, in case I just tell you, if you see your syllabi, there is a question on this, the first one, that is the socio-religious conditions. So this question is on that. Discuss the socio-religious conditions of Punjab around 1500. Number 2 question, which has also been coming in the university quite frequently, discuss the various sources on the history of Punjab. Now, this is one main question, but there can be questions on parts of the historical sources. They could be discuss the contribution of non-literary sources in the reconstruction of history of Punjab. There could be question on the Persian and the Punjabi literature related to the history of Punjab. So this we have finished unit 1 section A. Moving on to this one. Now in section section A, point number 2 is foundation of Sikh Panth, Guru Nanak Dev Ji and his teachings. So in this, what kind of question I feel can be asked is write a detailed note on the life and teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, or they could be question write an essay on the institution of Sangat, Langar and Guruship started by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Now, these are the questions which have been asked in the university. But I would like to give you 2 more extra questions which I feel have not been asked in the university, but there could be questions on that. One on the geographical and physical features. It could be write a detailed note on the geographical and physical features of Punjab. First question. Next question could be discuss in detail the impact of the physical features on the history of Punjab. So these are the 2 questions I feel have not been asked but can be asked because the questions have been mentioned in your section. From your second point, that is this one, the question which has not been asked is on the Udasis of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Although it has not been mentioned in here, but I would still suggest that please do the Udasis as well. So very quickly, the socio-religious conditions of Punjab around 1500 BC, discuss the various sources. You need to discuss it as a question, and all the 7 to 8 points that you have done could be asked separately also. Then detailed note on the life and teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Write an essay on the institutions of Sangat, Langar, Guruship started by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And 3 more questions I've told you. Write a detailed note on the physical features of Punjab. Number 2, write a detailed note how these physical features have impacted the history of Punjab. Then write a detailed note on the Udasis undertaken by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So with this we have checklist the unit 1 of your syllabi. So these questions can come in your university and must be prepared with keeping in regard the kind of questions that have come. Another thing is, because you are in your graduation classes, please don't try to learn and mug everything. Let it be like you understand, and as and when the question is, just understand that question, and while you get your question in the university, please underline the keywords that the examiner is asking. Start your answer with a very good introduction, then put all your points across. Do conclude with 1 or 2 lines. Quotes can be added. As we have discussed previously also, the historians on Sikh history are Dr. Ganda Singh and Fauja Singh. There is Kushwant Singh, Hariram Gupta. Then there is J.S. Garewal. And another book also we had talked about. I can't really recall, but I'll put it in the description box. So this is all about your Unit 1. So happy learning, and this time I would say happy preparing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.